In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the door handle on a Hotpoint washer dryer. Remember to work safely by disconnecting the appliance before attempting any repair. Open the door, make a note of the position of the catch and the spring, as this will come in handy later. I'm going to take the door off by removing the 4 screws going through the cabinet into the door hinges. This can be a little awkward, so take your time. Manoeuvre the hinges until they clear the cabinet and place the door on a flat surface. I'm going to split the door, but make sure you take a photo of the position of the door glass to stop any confusion later. Take out 6 screws in the inner frame. I'm using a small flat blade screwdriver to release the inner and outer frames. Be careful here, as we don't want either to break. Take out the glass bowl and the plastic cover, and we can now see the handle here. There is a pin that goes through the frame handle. Use a pair of pliers, then take the old handle out. Place the new handle into position. This can be a little tricky, but remember the position of the spring and catch from earlier. Now I can refit the pin through everything again until it comes out the other side. Refit the bowl into the frame and place the cover back over. I can now clip the 2 frames back together and refit the 6 screws into the inner frame. Slot the 2 door hinges into the cabinet, but you will have to manoeuvre them a little bit to get them to the correct position before refitting the screws. Close the door. Door handle on a Hotpoint washer dryer done. Watch our other helpful videos and subscribe to our channel.